Alright guys, I'm sorry to interrupt your video real quick before it starts. I just wanted to throw some information at you real quick, as little time as possible. So, Monday, Wednesday, Friday is when I'm going to be uploading from now on out. Those are my times. I am going to be aiming for somewhere in the afternoon possibly, but those will be the days you can expect videos from me unless if there's extenuating circumstances, in which case I may not upload for whatever reason, okay? Apart from that, I am thinking of streaming a video game every Thursday. That way you can talk and it's not just listening to me. You get to see something to entertain yourself. But tell me what you guys think about that and enjoy your video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, it's Sad and welcome back to the BulbaSquad. So, today we're going to be doing another installation of Is It Worth It? However, today we're going to be doing it over the Battle Styles Elite Trainer box. Had a lot of conflicting ideas on this. I thought all Elite Trainer boxes in general, but I think maybe you guys prefer me doing it for every set or something like that. If you guys want me to cover every Elite Trainer boxes, because there is slight deviation amongst them and how they behave because of various reasons, just tell me down below in the comments. If I see plenty of positive reception, people want it, I will do it, even if some of them aren't all that in-depth, okay? So, here we go. Battle Styles Elite Trainer boxes. First and foremost, before we get too far into this, Wave 1. The initial drop date, you got 30% of the total supply. That is the numbers I have. Now, the other 70%, none of it will be dropping in Wave 2, which is in April. The other 70% drops in Wave 3, which will be the end of May. Kind of late, so I'd say May 15th and later. That's where it's supposed to be dropping, okay? The Elite Trainer boxes online right now are going between $50 to $60 shipped. So, MSRP on all Elite Trainer boxes that are not specialty sets, so not Hidden Fates, Shining Legends, all that, is $40. And it comes with 8 packs. Oops, I couldn't get my numbers right. So you're getting them at a $5 per pack cost basis, essentially. And historically, mainstay set Elite Trainer boxes are not the best assets to park your money in. Why? At the end of the day, this booster box is not going to appreciate on its own, usually. This booster box is directly correlated to the set. If the set appreciates, the Elite Trainer box will trail behind it, usually lower than what the whatever the booster box is selling for in regards to per pack basis. However, history has shown that the Elite Trainer box to booster box ratio on the pack prices eventually flips. I don't know if this is going to stay. I don't know how it's going to go. I'm going to monitor it because it's going to provide very important data. If we take Plasma Storm, for example, the Elite Trainer box is a gold Lugia on a black booster Elite Trainer box. I'll have a picture up on the screen for you guys. That Elite Trainer box, when compared to the booster box price, the price per pack, it's substantially higher. Okay, like there's no two ways around it. Why? Because the thing about Elite Trainer boxes, at the end of the day, they are pieces of art. Let's be honest, let's be real with booster boxes. It's a nice little collectible piece, but any booster box that's been like Sun and Moon era forward looks like utter garbage. It does not look good. They look awful by comparison to their Japanese counterparts. When you start going a little further into the X and Y, yes, they do look fairly nice, but the modern ones, not really a collector's piece. However, let me get this down from here. This would be a piece of art, and this is what I'm looking for, okay? Not going to dive too deeply into that. You guys want a video on that? Again, tell me down below in the comments. I'll make one. So, Battle Styles Elite Trainer boxes have the Rapid Strike Urshifu and the Single Strike Urshifu on them. Fairly nice arts. They went back to the Sword and Shield base color scheme, blue and red. Now, there's a certain advantage that comes with divvying up the supply like this. Imagine you have 20 Elite Trainer boxes like Vivid Voltage, except now it's 10 are going to be the red, 10 are going to be the blue. A lot of people like sets. Perfect example right here. We got a Charizard and we got a Blastoise. A lot of people want to have both. So, automatically, so long as they don't print too much, you're kind of having the supply right away of each of these Elite Trainer boxes, because Elite Trainer boxes aren't exactly, they're not meant to be the main way of distributing product to people. The main way of distributing product is the booster boxes. when we really sit down and analyze Pokemon's patterns, they go with the most efficient way to get it to market. Hidden Fates, tins, even Elite Trainer boxes, I would argue, is fairly efficient. Anytime they reprinted a set, they usually did booster boxes, or those little boxes that have very marginal differences that take very little resources. Reprinting Elite Trainer boxes from a main set is the stupidest way to get product out to people. It's almost as bad as getting those stupid Orbeetle things out to people. Booster boxes are the way to go. So, these Elite Trainer boxes, so long as they don't spike like crazy to $100, are one of the realistically safest places to park your money in if you want a rare form of the item, but you're still going to be following behind the booster box price. So I know I got a little bit off topic on this one, but essentially what Battle Styles boils down to is, because there's two different forms of this, you're automatically creating a slightly rarer item, rarer as well, as rare as a modern product can be. So it'll be able to maintain its price a little bit better. It's not exactly the greatest collector's piece. It doesn't compete with any of the specialty set Elite Trainer boxes or any of these really nice ones, because, to put it bluntly, people don't like the Urshifu VMAXs or Urshifu as a Pokemon as much as other Pokemon. It's definitely not down there with like Califax or Calyrex. What was that stupid Pokemon that sat on the horse? It's coming up in Chilling Reign. It's not that bad, but it's very middle of the road. So that's going to appreciate slower than something like Vivid Voltage, especially because it's connected to the set. But I think in the end, is it worth it? Back to that point. If you're trying to find a more rare form of Battle Styles, which I use that carefully because Battle Styles is very likely to get reprinted because it is their first real big player set since this whole mess started, I think the Elite Trainer box would be a little safer safer in rarity than booster boxes, but I would still want to put my money into booster boxes. Not saying it's a good idea to buy it 110 or above, okay? I messed up. I accidentally bought it 140 whenever I reserved a spot. Whoops. The Elite Trainer box is a very mediocre investment. If you want to go for it, I would say, yeah, if you have the money to spare, go for it. It's not going to appreciate terribly fast. Please just pay MSRP. Don't pay above that. Even if you look at the price, they're $50 or $60 right now. Wait until May when the other 70% drops. When that drops, it's going to drive the prices down. / it's going to be easier to find it in stores. Okay? So tell me what you guys thought about me evaluating this Elite Trainer box. It was a little harder to do because, again, I don't put much weight into Elite Trainer boxes. I don't view them as an investable avenue because it's not a specialty set where it's the closest thing to a booster box we got. It's just a main set, and in this case, it's not all that great of a main set Elite Trainer box because this has Pikachu. Let's get this out. This has... Whoops. It's gone. Okay. This has Charizard, which is a classic. And then the other one's got Blastoise, and the art looks slightly better. So you see what I mean, why it's a little more difficult. But tell me you guys, are you going to park any money in it? If so, just run me through your thought process so I can better evaluate it. Maybe you see something I don't. Please tell me. And if you disagree with me, even better. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.